everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning an Xbox. So this has been a requested video and I'm just going to do my best to show you how I do this one. And yeah, so you can clean along with me or just get the motivation and then do this on your own when you have time. So I'm just going to make sure I turn off all the sockets and I'll remove the plug off the wall. Then I'm going to grab my Hoover. So I'm using like the little attachments with the little brush. I'm not sure what that's called, but I'm using that one. I find that it just takes off all the buildup that's actually like on the grooves and the crevices of the Xbox itself. I just find that it just sucks up all the dust, and I don't have to do a lot of deep cleaning, and I just disconnect everything, and then I just turn the Xbox to the side and I just continue to just hoover. Make sure all the dust is collected. You will be surprised how much dust it has been collecting over the I'd like to say a year and a bit, to be honest, because I have not touched it. I'm going to turn it to the side again and you can literally see all that build up that has been building up for some time. So this is hopefully going to make sure that all the dust comes off. And if I'm honest, I've not really cleaned this Xbox in a very long time. So this is the first time in about a year that I've actually done this. I'm also gonna untangle all the codes and everything, which is why we turned off everything on the wall. Everything is being hoovered, and you can literally see all the dust has literally been collected on everything. So I've just managed to move all the cords and separated them, and I'm putting them all to the side. I've literally cleaned them as well. You can see that's all the dust from each and every single cord that I had. Yes, I just wiped that off using a microfiber cloth. And yeah, it's kind of gross, to be honest, but you know what, this is the reality of living in a house and with life and children, and life gets busy. So whenever we do get a chance to clean, we do the best that we can. So yeah, this was meant to be just the Xbox itself, but as you can see, I could not ignore everything else. And sometimes I give myself the grace and the time when I do give myself the time to clean, I do the best that I can, and everything else that comes along with it, I do my best. So this is the base of the Xbox. I'm not sure what it's called because I'm not an Xbox person, but I've cleaned that off, and I'm also spraying used onto the microfiber cloth. So this is white vinegar and washing up liquid that I'm spraying. It's also like a dust repellent, so I'll do a video on that soon just to explain more. And I'm gonna wipe all the cords, and you can see like the little buildup on that microfiber cloth a few seconds ago, and I am just wiping all of them to ensure that all the dust is off and I've got no buildup. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you're wanting some more motivation, look on the top right hand corner over here for some more motivating cleaning videos, or clean along with me if that's what you're looking for. Or if you're wanting some videos on decluttering, I've got another video on the right here. So there's a pick. You can choose what you want and get yourself motivated for the task that you want to do. Also look out for my videos. I do upload twice a week, sometimes every Tuesday and Friday, or Wednesday and Friday, but I do upload twice a week, so look out for any videos during the upcoming weeks. Mommy's plugging everything back in. So that is it for me today. I hope you found this video to be helpful. I hope you found a way to clean your own Xbox if this is something that you were looking for. This was requested of me a couple of months ago, and I've just got around to filming it, and I hope it was very helpful to you guys. Look forward to more videos. If you've got any requests, please send them to me, especially on my Instagram. I will respond over there. And that is it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.